Hi everyone, in this video we are going to look out things you should do in 2024 to make it best.
Alright, so these are your New Year's resolutions. You want to make $100,000 online, you want to go to the gym and get a six-pack, you want to meditate every single day. Now do you want to know what the truth actually is? Only 9% of you will succeed. If that sounds harsh, good, because I want you to understand the severity of this situation. You say that 2024 will be your year, but most likely it won't be. Now the question is, why are you still doing it? Frankly, it's not your fault. They won't stop until every last second of your time is spent on their platforms. My friend, there are no accidents on their apps. Nothing is random. Everything is planned, and those billions are all spent to get one thing. And one thing only, your attention. You have a limited amount of attention and focus to give. You can't focus on everything. It's impossible. The very tasks that we should be doing, that is almost half of your day gone to what? Simply not being able to focus. I mean, really think about it. How many times have you gone to just check your phone for a second, and the next thing you know, you've spent hours scrolling on Instagram or TikTok, and you don't even mean to do it? That is how they control you. The average person spends 30% more time on their phone today. That means the average person spends 4 hours and 12 minutes on their phone.
I mean, let's really put that into perspective. In just a few years, your phone has gone from stealing 12% of your entire day in 2019 to over 17.5% today. If you keep going down this road, you will spend over a third of your entire life staring at screen. Just don't thinking about anyone, be the version of yourself, and believe on your parents, do everything for them, and your life gonna changed.